A lot of our customers who have already used home theater systems or are planning for home theater systems, either in dedicated rooms or a media room, are now waiting or have been looking forward for good two-channel stereo setups, probably in their living rooms. Because in the living rooms, they don't want to have the surround sound, but at the same time, they want a good sound system which needs to be paired either with their large size TVs or the ultra short throw laser TVs, as we all saw. But which would be the best? Now, there are a lot of options. People go either for soundbars, some go for floor standing speakers. But one of the best choice that we have been recommending a lot of them is to go for bookshelf speakers or powered monitors, which can do the job of amplifying the TV sound, and along with it has got a great musical fidelity, so that you can actually use them for music playback using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or even connecting a turntable or a record player to it. How is that possible? Let us try to find out with this product that has been shipped to us by Klipsch, which is the Klipsch Heritage Powered Monitor Speaker called the Nines. Now, the reason why they call it Nines is because it is typically around 8 inches driver, but 9 because 8 plus 1 inch of Twitter is what I am assuming. And we are going to check out the speaker. So it comes in a pair, and you have got one active monitor, one passive speaker, and they give you the speaker cables as well along with it. So this is the Klipsch The Nines. Then, as you can see, there's an HDMI cable, because this speaker has also got HDMI-ARC to connect to your TV. There's a USB cable, but this is more for servicing, which is A to B. We have got various power connects, which is according to the country, they give you these cables nowadays. And then you have got the speaker cables between the two active and the passive pair. There's also a remote control which comes with the battery. So this remote control is to help you get rid of going near the speaker and increasing or decreasing the volume. The package is pretty huge, and so is the speaker. So let's keep it here and see what's there inside. So these are the grills, I believe, for the speakers, and you've got the two speakers right over here. Wow, just look at the size. It's like a mini floor standing speaker. Wow, the speakers were super bulky. I mean, it's definitely not a single person's job. These are the grills. Let's just keep this aside. So we have got one speaker purposely, the active one, kept in a reverse position so that you can see all the connections that are behind. And these grills are magnetic grills. Let me know, how do you feel this speaker to be? I mean, are you excited for the entire review? Are you excited to listen to them? Because I am excited. And as you can see on the top, these are cool buttons that are given out here. You've got this power button. It's not a button, it's actually a knob. And then you have got this knob, which is for shuffling between the sources. So you can see the TV. This, I believe, is for HDMI-ARC. Then we have Bluetooth, optical, USB, aux, and phono. So all these connectors or the inputs are right here. And this is the bass reflex port. And over here, you can see the horn tweeter, the speciality of Klipsch, along with the 8 inches driver, which you get in the speaker. So the speakers are extremely bulky, but they definitely aim to give you that kind of long throw, especially for living rooms which are beyond 15-20 feet. So let's put them on and let's see what they have got in terms of the audio. So this was the first impression of the Klipsch 9. They look humongous. They are definitely not a bookshelf speaker. They can be much more than that as well. But yeah, we would need some time to go out and check this on the various modes, try their Klipsch app as well to play with these speakers and see what that has got to offer us. So while we go and do that testing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's it from my end. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, with this Klipsch 9s. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.